In this video, I'm going to show you how to export LinkedIn group members with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. If you don't have a Sales Navigator account, don't panic, there is a free trial you can use. So pause the video, take the trial, and you'll be able to follow this tutorial. So on Sales Navigator, you are able to target people that belong to a specific group. And to do that, you just need to go on View All filters here to scroll down a little bit. And here, you're gonna see the group filter and you can look for groups here. This is a way to contact your prospect with a different icebreaker mentioning that you're part of the same group and you are sharing the same interest, for example. So here I've taken an example with a Facebook ad group. So if you target some people into a Facebook ad LinkedIn group, you could totally send a message like this, like, "Hey Robin, I saw you were a member of the Facebook ads community LinkedIn group. I'm currently building a product to help Facebook ad freelancers and agencies monitor their campaigns and automatically generate reports for their clients. I'm looking for beta testers. Do you think a product like this could help you right now?" You can see that this is a little bit different than the classic messages you can receive on LinkedIn or through cold email. And this can help you stand out from the crowd and increase your reply rate. Okay, so like I said, really simple. You go on Sales Navigator, you click on View All filter here, and you type what you are looking for. Here, for example, I was looking for Facebook ads and I've chosen the Facebook ad community. And I can see that I have 3,000 members in this LinkedIn group. And this is like the raw data. But if you want, you can like be more precise, build a more targeted list by adding other criteria to your search. Like you can add title if you are looking for CEOs, or people in a particular country, for example. So here I'm targeting people that are members of this group, but are also CEOs in the United States. So if you want to be like more precise on who you want to talk to, you can definitely add some layers, some other filters besides the group filter. If you want to extract absolutely all the members, but there is like more than 2,500 results, I made another video where I show you how to split your Sales Navigator searches and extract search results with more than 2,500 results in it. You can see the video just right there. So for our use case, I will target all the people that are part of this LinkedIn group and lives in the United States. So here, once I'm happy with my search, I can extract it with Evaboot. So Evaboot is a Sales Navigator Chrome extension that will allow you to extract, enrich, and clean your search results. So once you have downloaded the Chrome extension, I put the link in the description. You have a new button here, Extract with Evaboot, and you just need to click on it. It will open a new tab with an access to the Evaboot platform, and you just need here to like name the group, like group members US, and to launch the extraction in just one click. Once your extraction is launched, you will have a confirmation message saying that the extraction job is running. And you will be able to see that your extraction is running here with an estimated end date on the left. Once the extraction is finished, you can download the file by clicking on this icon. And I will show you the data you can get with Evaboot on these group members. And basically you will get first name, last name cleaned. So Evaboot will clean the emojis, capital letters, typos, etc. So you have a clean name, first name and last name here. Position, company name, website, domain, location, LinkedIn URL. So we'll convert the Sales Navigator URL into the LinkedIn URL. The industry, specialty, employee count, so the exact number of people in the company. The range of employee as well, company location, the number of connection as well can be useful if you try to detect fake profile. For example, let's say if someone has less than 20 connections, for example, it could mean that it is a fake profile. So you have really like tons of information on your prospect for your CRM and for your cold email campaigns. Talking about cold emails, if you want to find the emails of your LinkedIn group members, you can click on the right here, find emails. And if you have a drop contact account, which is an email finder, you can add your drop contact API inside Evaboot and click on launch enrichment, and the emails will be added directly within your file. In just 2 clicks, you have extracted the LinkedIn group members, cleaned them, and with a second click, you can add emails with drop contact. So in just 2 clicks, you have a qualified lead list you can contact with your favorite cold email tool. If you want to know more about how you can generate leads with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I've made a full 30-minute tutorial on the subject, and you can access it by clicking on the link just right there. If you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next one. See ya, bye bye.